Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Purchase this Digiland 10-inch display tablet from Best Buy for $50, and one of the features is its 10.1-inch display and 800 by 1280 resolution, 32 GB internal storage, and it has dual camera and 2 GHz processor. Mainly I purchased it for my kid because she needs a tab and I don't want to give her an expensive one. So this is on one day sale in Best Buy, and so I thought let's buy it for $50. And previously I had one Digiland tablet, Windows tablet, long back, and it worked fine for a long time. I used it for a long time, so I have some reliability on them, like this product. So that's why okay, let's buy this one again. So this is the tab, and they are giving one USB charger. Anything else? Yeah, they are giving the USB charger with plug. So they are giving this plug. That is good. And let me open it. So this is a display cover. I'm not opening it right now. You can have extra storage here. This will allow extra storage. This has auxiliary port, so audio auxiliary with aux port, you can use that. And this is charging port. It has mic plus dual camera, one here, one at the back. And these are the speakers. Is there any other port? No, I'm not sure it has Bluetooth or not. It should have Bluetooth as well, so I'll check. Let first charge it for some time, then I will install it, and maybe then I can tell you that. So let's put it in the charge and then do the installation. So friends, let me connect it to the, oh, they are giving a USB-C charging port. So this is really good. So not regular micro USB, so which is really good. So I just connected it and let's see. So you can see the battery is totally zero. So oh no, looks like it has 72% battery. It was confusing message at the beginning, but this is good. So this is the power on button, this is the power on, this is the power on, and this is volume up and down. So let me turn on the power. So as I said, it is Android, and let me install it. So let's start United States English, and it is looking for Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna connect to my own Wi-Fi. So after connecting, it just started getting your tablet ready. So it is installing, looks like, yeah, installing the updates and everything. So looks like it is ready. Next, click on next. Choose your old device, Android. Can't use old. I don't want to use any other old device, so I want a fresh one. Now let me put this one. So it needs account, so I'll be signing into account, or I can skip it, right? I can skip. Why do I need to go to? Without a Google account, you won't be able to download app, music, games, and other things Google Play. Go back. Okay, let me then sign in. So it is almost done. I have to agree the license, so I did it. Now getting account info and all those it is doing. So we are almost done. So far the screen resolution, it looks nice to me so far, even though I did not watch anything yet. So maybe I'll be putting some video and turn and see, but let's see how it is. That is fine. I don't have any backup. I don't need anything. Just install a new one. So I accept everything. Now it is asking to set up the pin. Let me set up the pin. And now it is talking about meet your Google Assistant, navigate. Now I don't need that. It is almost done. I don't know for Google Assistant why it flipped the orientation, that I don't know. No, I am gonna skip all those. Add another, change font, change wallpaper. Right now nothing. It's like a lot of questions. So it looks like the tablet is ready. It's ready. It has some predefined pre-installed apps, that is Google Chrome and YouTube Music, Google Go, Google Play Store, nothing else. So this is good. And let me check if it has Bluetooth or not connected. Yes, it has Bluetooth. So right now there is nothing connected, but Bluetooth is there, battery is there, display, sound, everything is there. So let me go to YouTube first, which is the common platform to check anything, and let me show you how it is. So looks like it's my daughter always watching these videos, that's why maybe these are coming. So let me go to my channel, Roy's work, search. So it found my channel. So let me play some video and see how it is. I just purchased this penguin game toy actually for Rodela, my daughter. So this is fine. Let me change the video settings, video quality, higher picture quality. So, and this is good, not bad. And let me go to the music side. The music also is good, and the video quality is nice, not bad. I like it. Let me run some good videos. So let me go to another channel, maybe. So maybe Let me run this one. This is a 4K video, I believe, so I'm expecting better picture. So yeah, video quality is nice, it looks nice. So video quality is nice. Always higher quality. Video quality is nice. So this is nice, this is working fine. Let me go Google, accept and continue. Yes, I am signing in. So Google is fast enough. If I go here, or Amazon, let's see how fast it is downloading. Yeah, this is good. So this is working fine so far. And again, the storage is only 32 GB. So like if you need internal storage, extra storage, you can use this one. You can put something and you can use that storage. So far it is good. Friends, one more thing is, it's been almost 2 weeks. I am now recording this. Like, I want to let you know the battery life. The battery life of this device is really good. Like my daughter, she watches YouTube videos all the time, and like it runs for 6 to 7 hours with one single charge. Even more than that. She used it for 7 hours. I remember one day, and still there was like 15% charge left. So the battery wise, this is a very good, gives very good battery life so far. So that's like after using 2 weeks, I'm recording this part. So just adding this part. So that's all about this product, friends. I like it so far. So friends, let me know how do you like this video, and if you have any thought and any suggestion, please put it in the comment box. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.